Hey, what's up, Dirt Dog Scrapper here. Today I'm scrapping this DirecTV box. I left my screw gun at my girl's house, so I gotta do it like this. You guys gotta bear with me for a minute. See what the hell is inside this thing. Probably nothing too much worth talking about, to tell you the truth. But why not make a video, get back on the tube, get back in action. Been kind of busy, helping my wife to be moved, shit like that. Let's see what the fuck we got in here. Fucking damn Torx bits. Alright, this is steel. Don't necessarily want that. Piece of ribbon cable. Keep that. This cool looking little board here. Guess it's mid-grade. It's green on both sides. A little bit of gold inside that phone jack thingy. So, I guess we'll save that. Look at this. Got one of these cards, a DirecTV card. It's gold plated right there, so we're gonna save that. It's plastic, we don't give a shit about. Bend this up a little. I'm gonna get this board out of here now. Without the damn screw gun. Holy shit, I don't see any screws anyway. Looks like we got to break it somehow. Get the large flat going. Let's see if we can pry it out. There we go. These freaking things are holding it though. It's alright. We'll pry it out. Get it going like that. This thing, smack it right off. There's a board behind this thing. This is plastic, so we'll smash it. See what we got back here. Looks like my grandfather is down here cleaning up the plastic. Thank you, Grandpa. This here looks to be silver. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Sure as hell looks like silver though, so put this back here. Try and get this shit out of here somehow. Yeah, that sure as hell looks like silver to me. I'm no expert though, so we'll save it. See what the hell we can do with it. A little piece of shit board. Actually, it's crap, so I don't care about that. This is all steel. There. Take the channel locks out. Start picking through it. Oh, look at that. There's little copper gizmos inside of here. Inside of this little box. Boom. Some ribbon wire, these copper, little baby copper gizmos. I'll mess with that later though. I'm not really too worried about that. Take this off. Transformer. This thing. Copper bearing thing. Take that off there. Now this board, I guess I'm going to save because it's mid-grade. Get the black chips, green on both sides. So, that's what it is. This is steel, so it's going to stay on there. This is steel too. Alright, Let's smash this thing open. Get the copper out of it real quick. Don't waste no time. Get some copper there. Some more copper here. Alright. Let's check this shit out here. These things are pretty worth grabbing, I guess. Just for the hell of it, why not? You gotta stop, you see it, grab them, why not? Alright, here we go. DirecTV box. We got a card, gold plated. That's worth saving. We got this piece of mid-grade, I would say. Transformer. Another piece of mid-grade. There's a little bit of gold inside this part. 2 pieces of ribbon wire. A little bit of copper. This thing I'm gonna mess with later. See, there's little copper gizmos in there. I'll mess with that later. This thing appears to be silver. Those little button thingies. Oh, that's the better side. Yeah, that's silver. It looks like. We'll save that. This is what's in the DirecTV box. I guess they're worth grabbing. Dirt Dog Scrapper. I'm out.